welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around. We just reached 23,000 subscribers, which has been amazing, and I can't say enough. You know, I'm happy that you guys support me, watch my videos, you know, message me on Instagram, and I do apologize. I do get hundreds and hundreds of messages almost every day on Instagram, so, you know, it's extremely hard to respond back to every single one. I mean, I would be just sitting there all day just responding back to a lot of stuff, but I do try to get a hold of you guys as much as I can and respond. I am trying to go through and make sure of any older ones that I haven't seen. If you have messaged me and I haven't responded, go ahead and message it again, so that way it like kind of rebumps it up to the top of the list. I got a lot of cool things coming up here very soon, and I'm excited to when the spring's gonna come, mostly because, you know, I'm going to get into a 650 horse 335 IS single turbo, so we'll be able to show you that kit. A buddy of mine that's local here to Columbus has one. We've been trying to figure out as far as when we can kind of do this video and all that kind of stuff. And of course, we want to get a driving video of it. And just with the snow and everything else like that, it hasn't been the greatest to be able to do that as far as conditions go. So that's going to be cool to be coming up. And then, you know, a lot of other kind of cool things that are going to be coming outside of that. You know, just like what I mentioned, building a house right now, excited to be in that garage and doing all those kinds of videos, because then I could kick up my DIYs even more. Because I do have some cool stuff coming, and then, you know, more modifications and stuff like that. So thanks for giving back and supporting me. I wouldn't be here without you guys. I'm going to be doing another contest here coming very soon. I know a lot of you, if you've been part of that in the past, you enjoyed that, and, you know, I like doing those just because give back to you guys, right, the viewers that watch my videos and stuff like that. So that'll be fun. I'll try to do something a little bit different with that, and then we'll be good to go. So we'll be in California 1 week from today, fly into Ontario, and then we have an office in Covina, and then I'll be down in Rancho as well. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys are local to any of those surrounding areas. I think some of you already are, or somewhat pretty close. Well guys, that does it for today. Cheers to 23,000 subscribers. Thanks again, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day. Take care.